About family justice. What you need to know about divorce in Singapore. What is a contested divorce? If you and your spouse are unable to reach an agreement on the divorce and all ancillary matters before the filing of the writ, then you will proceed on the contested divorce route. Once you've submitted the necessary documents, a divorce case number will be assigned to your application. The documents must then be served on your spouse personally by an authorized process server. After the documents have been served on your spouse, he or she must file the following documents if he or she is not agreeable to the divorce. Memorandum of appearance within 8 days of receiving your documents. Defense or defense and counterclaim within 14 days after the deadline to file his or her MOA. If your spouse files a defense or defense and counterclaim, you have 14 days to file your reply or reply and defense to counterclaim if you wish to do so. If you have filed a reply and a defense to counterclaim, your spouse has 14 days to file a reply to the defense to counterclaim. The court will then direct that you and your spouse apply for the divorce case to be scheduled for a hearing. This is known as setting down, after which the court will notify parties or your lawyers, if any, of the date to attend in court for a case conference. A case conference is a court session where the judge will give directions on how to best manage your divorce case moving forward. The court may, for example, direct that you and your spouse attend mediation and counseling to facilitate an amicable settlement on the issues that you and your spouse disagree on, or that you and your spouse and children under 21 years of age attend counseling at the Child Focus Resolution Center. If the matter cannot be resolved at mediation, the court will direct parties to file affidavits, a formal statement laying down the facts of the case, which must be signed before a commissioner for oaths in Singapore or a notary public or consular in the Singapore embassy if parties are overseas. Next, a contested hearing will be held, where you and your spouse, and your lawyers, if any, are expected to attend and take the stand to present the evidence. If the court grants a divorce at the hearing, you will then have to extract the interim judgment. During this entire process, the divorce can proceed as uncontested if any of the following occur. Your spouse becomes agreeable to the divorce and informs the court using an MOA. Your spouse did not file the MOA before the deadline. Your spouse filed the MOA indicating intention to defend the action, but does not file a defense before the deadline. What to do next? If you or someone you know wishes to file for a divorce or has been served with an application for divorce, visit the FJC website at www.familyjusticecourts.gov.sg for more information. Copies of the Divorce in Singapore leaflet and booklet, which details the various processes, provides useful contacts and checklists, as well as the necessary forms and documents, can also be downloaded from the website.